Hello, welcome back to Crochet Create. So we're going to be doing a quick tutorial to show you how to double crochet today. Before we start, don't forget to click the bell icon and subscribe for free. Thank you. So let's just grab our yarn. We've got general DK yarn today. If you check the back of any pack, it will tell you the weight and the material and kind of which hook to use as a guide. I'm going to be using a 3mm crochet hook today. If you do struggle, just grab yourself a bigger one just to practice. I'll be showing you two different ways. So first, let's try my way. Hopefully it doesn't confuse you too much. So let's grab our yarn. So we're going to attach it to our hook, make a loop, and then insert your crochet hook into the circle, pull through your yarn, and then just pull both tails to make it tighter and attach it to the crochet hook. So we're ready to make our chain. So we're going to chain 7 first. We're going to be making 5 double crochets. So we're going to chain 7. We're going to skip the first 2. And then we're going to look at the back loops, crochet into, so skip the first 2 and crochet into the 3rd back loop. Insert your hook, pull through your yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 again. So it's slightly different to single crochets. We're going to yarn over, insert your hook into the back loop, yarn over, pull through. We've got 3 loops on your hook, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2. So you can see we've got the chain and the 2 double crochets. So yarn over, insert your hook into the back loop, yarn over, we've got 3 loops on, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 again. I'm going to do this all the way along. So pull up, so you've got 3, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2. So yarn over, insert into the back loop, pull the yarn through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, and pull through 2. Perfect. So just pull it a bit tighter. So you can see we've got there's 5 double crochets. So I'm going to do chain 1 turning chain. I'm going to insert into the first stitch, so into the actual chain from the bottom. So insert your hook, pull up, yarn over 2, yarn over 2. So with a single crochet, obviously we don't do any yarning over. So just don't forget with a double crochet, we've got to yarn over first before we insert the hook. So yarn over, insert into the next stitch, pull up the yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, and pull through 2 again. Perfect. I mean, if you get started, just start again, keep going until you kind of get the hang of it. You'll start getting into a bit of a flow. So again, this is the last stitch. So if we chain 1, turn around, yarn over, insert into the first chain, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2 again. I'm going to do this all the way along. Hopefully I'm not going too fast and you can kind of follow as we go, or pause the video and catch up. So we're going to do 3 rows of double crochet my way. Just trying to get the hang of things before we start the project. Now, if you want, you can kind of count as you go. Now to fasten off, we cut our yarn. I'm going to do chain 1 and then pull it all the way through. And then pull it tight, just like that. Perfect. So that's our first attempt at double crochet. Now we'll move on, let's try the traditional way. So again, grab your yarn. We're going to do the chains first. So in traditional crochet you tend to do chains and then you single crochet all the way along before you start the double crochet. So chain 1, 2, yarn over, 3, 4, yarn over, 5, and you can see the back loops at the back, so we're going to be single crocheting into the back loops. So insert your hook, yarn over, pull through the yarn, pull up so you have 2 loops onto your hook, yarn over and pull through both loops. So insert your hook, yarn over, pull through the yarn, make sure you've got 2 loops onto your crochet hook, yarn over and pull through both loops. Some people tend to do 6 chains, skip the first one, and then do the 5 single crochets, but I just crochet into the last stitch at the end. So into our final stitch, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through both loops just like that. So we now do our turning chain, so we'll chain 3. With double crochet, the chain 3 and the turning chain counts as the first double crochet. So that means that we're not going to insert our hook into the first stitch. We're going to skip the first stitch, go into the second stitch. So the turning chain counts as 1 stitch, skip the first one, go into the second one to begin your first double crochet. So yarn over, insert your hook, pull through the yarn, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 again, yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, pull through the yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2. So when you insert your crochet hook into the stitch, make sure you've got 3 loops to begin with. You'll then yarn over, pull through 2 and then pull through 2 again. So we'll do that all the way along. We'll do a total of 4 double crochets because the turning chain counts as 1. When you get to the end, again chain 3, turn it over, yarn over, skip the first stitch and then go into the second stitch, and we'll do this all the way along. So yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Just like so. I mean, it looks easy when you kind of get the hang of it, but I know to begin with you kind of need to kind of get into the flow. So just take your time with it and keep practicing. And there we'll go. So that is the traditional way to do a double crochet, whichever way suits you best. I've kind of got my own ways to do a lot of things now. But thank you for watching and keep an eye out for the tutorial. Have a lovely day.